What were you guys just doing?
I was plugging it in just to see if it was working. So you can tell typically some of them have a green light inside and some of them have a fan to pull in the air inside the sensor. So I was just listening to see if the fan was on to be able to test if it was working or not.
Okay.
So yeah, everything, all the sensors, all the electronics are underneath this plastic covering. So rain is pretty much just going to wash off the sensor and go down. So it's not going to have any issues like getting water inside at all.
What's the registration entail?
The registration involves putting in the ID, putting in the contact information for whoever purchased the sensor, looking at the Wi-Fi settings, putting the location where it's at, and then you'll be able to start seeing data real time on the Purple Air website.
How easy is registering the Purple Air on the Purple Air monitor?
I would say it's pretty easy. Honestly, it takes probably around, if everything's good with the Wi-Fi, probably about 5 minutes to get it done max. So, like I said, you just put in the device ID, put in your contact information, put in your Wi-Fi settings, and then you should be good to go.